Hey, this is Aaron with Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings. Today we are showcasing Fireball Talon ceramic coating. Fireball Talon is attention to detail's specialized high-temperature coating used to coat wheels, brake components, engine parts, exhaust tips, brake calipers in racing cars, in addition to unpainted plastic panels and trims. It is a ceramic coating that creates a protective barrier on the wheel's surface, helping to resist damage from road debris, brake dust, and other environmental factors. The ceramic formula also provides a hydrophobic effect, repelling water and making it easier to clean. With Talon being multi-layerable, for added protection, Talon gives you the highest depth and gloss for a vehicle coating on the market. With its heat resistance of up to 800 degrees Celsius, Talon is the way to go. Give us a call at 219-295-0529. Aaron out.